easier when the armrest is up. And there we go. Now I'm just going to remove that. Get rid of all my fingerprints. My vents move.
Now, as of recording this, we did get a message back from the manufacturer of this unit, and they told us that the USB port doesn't need to be used. It's actually for software upgrades. So you can install it or just leave it off. We chose to leave it on, and it actually does charge your phone, so no harm, no foul.
Language is English. There we go. That is it. So let's try starting the engine up.